We're going to be doing the VBS Day 2 craft, which is a basket. And the theme of this craft is Jesus is Lord. He has the power to do all things. The scripture is Matthew 14:13 to 21, and it is the story of Jesus, of the miracle that Jesus performs with the 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish to feed the multitude. So this is the finished product. It is a paper basket with a nice weaving on the bottom. This craft has 2 parts to it. There's a prepping part that the volunteers will do, and then the part where the students will put together the craft. This craft has 2 parts to it. There will be a prepping part that the volunteers will do prior to the students putting together the craft. So I'm going to do it in 2 different parts. For the prep work, we'll be taking sheets of paper and dividing them up into 8 even strips. The strips will look like this. And for each basket, we will be needing 6 strips of one color and 6 strips of another color. I'll be using pink and blue for this example. For the prepping portion, we will be taking 5 strips of one color and 1 strip of the other color. And what we will do is we will weave the first strip for them so that the students, what they will do is weave the rest of the strips. It'll save them some time since we only have 20 minutes to do this craft. Okay, so let's begin. We will need glue sticks to do this. And for the second part, the students will need will need staplers and also tape. So let's begin. What we want to do is, in order to know where to begin the crisscross, we want to measure from the top 3 inches down. And mark it off. We'll also do that for the blue strip as well. Mark it off at the 3 inch. And with our glue stick, we will glue and place the strip. They should be at a 90-degree angle right here. And then the next one, since we are weaving the strips together, if the pink is underneath, then the next strip, the pink will be on top. So again, we will put some glue down. And what we want to make sure is that the ends are all even, and that the strips are right next to each other, parallel to each other, but not overlapping one another. The third one will be, the pink will go under. Next one will go over. And the final one will go under. Just like that. So this, again, is the prep work. When students come in for the craft, this is what they'll be getting. They will be getting the first weave done for them, and they will receive 5 more of the blue strips. 1 will be for the handle, and then 1 additional pink strip for the other handle. So now this is the part where the students prepare the craft. They will then take the next blue one and weave it in and out, making a checker pattern. So if the blue is on the top, then the next row will be the blue starts on the bottom. And they will go ahead and weave them in and out. You want to let them know that we want the ends to be even, so as they place it in, help them to keep them as even as possible, so that in the end it's not all over the place and then they have to try to make everything even. That becomes a little bit more difficult to do. And then the final one. We want the weaves to be nice and tight. So we want to make sure that the strips, they are touching one another but not overlapping. Again, all the ends should be even, like that. Now, in order to keep things from shifting around, they're going to take their glue stick and just glue the top ones that are the ones that we can pull up the flaps with, and just go around and do that. Okay. Here we go. Again, nice checker pattern right in the middle. All the ends are even. Next step is to take your stapler and take one of the ends, and they're going to take each strip and lay one on top of the other, stacking them just like this, bringing them together, and then we will staple. The instructors and also the team leaders, they can all help with the stapling. There won't be enough staples for the students to do themselves. We'll continue going around and doing that to all the ends, bringing them together and stapling them. Bringing them together, stapling it. And the last one. There you go. So it should look like this with all the ends put together and stapled. Now we're going to take those extra strips that we gave out, and with the pink and the pink. Now, of course, if they want to do a blue on the pink, that is totally fine. But I'm going to do pink on pink, and then take a piece of tape and secure that. This is also, the reason why we're using tape is also just to cover the staples. That way. And then we're going to take the other handle and tape that down like that, and on the other side. And there you have it, a pretty little basket that represents the miracle of the 5 loaves and 2 fishes.